Custom article groups allow you to define specific article groups which are only visible to selected companies. By default, they are not visible in the user portal or to the general public. To set it up, first go to Composer Article Groups. Navigate to the desired article group to edit it or create a new one. Let's take, for example, this one. Mark Custom Only checkbox as checked. Click Save. Now, navigate to Administration, Companies. Create a new company or edit an existing one. Click Add Custom Article Group. Select the custom group. Optionally, you can also apply a default discount that will be used for all articles from this selected group. Let's say 10%. Click Save. Important, while selecting the article group, you can only choose from the custom groups, not from the general ones. Right now, the company you have just modified will get access to this custom article group, and by default, the 10% discount we have just selected will be applied to the orders.